Good morning, everybody. This is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's Monday, August 3rd, 2009. After an unbelievable overnight session here overseas, stock futures are jumping dramatically up to the century mark again. Just incredible. So that is an amazing run-up pre-market to the century mark. And now we're basing on our high here on a little 3-minute chart. Going back out to a daily chart, you can see that this is another test. If I zoom in here, of that $100 mark. And again, if we can chew our way past this, we'll be looking at the next logical spot of resistance to my eye. That's about 105, which is this prior swing high, maybe just shy of that. And then we've got this gap fill back here. So watch out for head fakes as well. When you have this many bars up in a row, we've been talking about going and treading lightly to the long side. If you're already positioned, you can stay in things nicely, but looking for a new entry into something that's already extended is not the safest environment to trade into, unless you're looking intraday for some specific patterns that you may end up holding overnight, with some protection, of course. But after just a couple days of basing up here, if we get another breakout, it's still going to be a little bit interesting to try to go long the markets after this massive run-up. But every little bar up that we go again, we have a better chance of making a higher swing low or even a consolidation, so that's what I'm looking for. We'll have to see what happens today. But again, looking intraday at some trading work, a lot of that's going to be dictated by some economic news, and what's coming up today is construction spending, ISM index at 10 o'clock. Also at 2 o'clock we have auto sales and truck sales. So not the most heavy economic day. The rest of the week looks pretty interesting. Tomorrow, personal income and spending, pending home sales. On the 5th, we've got ADP employment change, factory orders, ISM services, crude inventories. August 6th, initial claims. So anyway, we'll talk about all those things over the next few weeks, and there's still some earnings coming out. So we'll have to see how those earnings announcements affect the market as well. Pay special attention to the tick and trend today on a run-up like this. Make sure that any move to the upside is thoroughly corroborated by good market internals. Make sure the VIX is bleeding out and the trends are low, but not too low. So fantastic. That's what I see to my eye. It's going to be a great trading day. Trade smart, and I'll talk to you around lunchtime Eastern Standard Time.